Hi everyone, this is a package of 100 AI prompts that you can use on ChatGPT or Google Bard, or even on Microsoft Copilot to generate successful YouTube videos and ideas with lots of views and engagement and have an edge over your competitors. The prompts are divided into the following categories. Channel creation, that will help you select your sub-niche and set up your YouTube channel. Video creation, to create SEO-friendly videos with rich keyword content and help you with the script and audio generation. Optimization, to assist you detect the weak points in your existing videos and suggest improvements. Promotion, will assist you to publish your video on social media platforms and encourage user interactions. Monetization, will help you achieve your financial goals and suggest different methods to monetize your content. Competition, will analyze other channels' content and offer suggestions and improvements based on your competitors' strengths and weaknesses. Collaboration, will suggest strategies on how to collaborate with other YouTubers and have a chance to get approved for partnerships with them. Here's a sample prompt related to video creation. Analyze the impact of video length on YouTube and share insights on finding the optimal duration for personal finance niche to maximize viewer satisfaction and retention. You can get the package from the link in the details section. That's it for today. See you later.